Hi everyone! I'm Magdalene Ho from the Plug-in in the Power of Data organization. It is a non-profit organization where we advocate for better medical attention for refugees in Malaysia. In this video, I will be explaining on the prototype application we created. If you want to know more about our vision, like on how we started this, you may click on the two links below the description area. Right, so moving on. You will be able to find our app in the App Store like so, or even in the Google Play in near future. The app is simply called Plug-in in the Power of Data, or in short, PPD. After downloading the app should be on the home screen like this. Okay, when you click open the app, the screen should appear on the screen of your phone. Just like any other app, after waiting for about 2 seconds, the screen will be directed to this page, where users have two options to choose whether as a doctor or a patient. As a volunteer doctor or nurse, the page will be directed to this where they are required to fill in their details. Same goes to the refugee patients when they select patient. The purpose of taking the personal data of the refugee is for the convenience sake of the doctors, as giving allergic information to the doctor can avoid death. Next, after completing that section, the users are required to sign in as their username and password. This screen here shows that a refugee is having a conversation with his doctor. For simple problems like cough and flu, having a short conversation with a doctor would be able to solve the illness, as the doctor would give a prescription to the patient. Apart from that, the patient could opt for a free home remedy solution in the app. In this page, the patient is able to click into their personal information, health information, past assessment, allergies, medication, and instructions. Just to elaborate further, the personal information are the basic info of the patient, whereas the health information states more on the health-related info, like blood type, and for example, the patient here is suffering from migraine. The past assessment is like a history visit to the doctor. The allergies are more for the doctor's knowledge, and medication indicates the current medication of the patient. Lastly, the instructions section is where the doctor gives the direction to the patient, like drinking more water. Next, this is a navigation page for easier usage. In this page, users are able to know more about the app and could give feedbacks. Furthermore, a patient who received a prescription from the doctor is able to search for the nearest pharmacy to buy the medication. Upon arrival at the pharmacy, the patient is required to show the prescription to the pharmacist as well as the code. The code serves as a security purposes, as the pharmacist is able to check in the system whether it is real or fake. Moreover, the code would enable the patient to receive discount from the partnered pharmacy. This is a live map feature where in case of serious illness, the patient is able to call the available doctor. The patient then can monitor the whereabouts of the doctor. This is mostly used for emergency cases when the refugee does not have enough money to call the ambulance and visit the hospital. So in wrap, this app aims to help thousands of needy refugees where we cannot do it alone. Help us to make this a realization to all refugees out there who need our help.